Good afternoon. We are doing a discussion. This a focus group discussion. We are discussing the science communication. Following that science communication session, science communication training. So let me start by self introductions. Yes, please. Start with you. Your name.
My name is Mike.
So quickly, what do you think science communication is? Or let me start by asking you, did you know anything about science communication before this training? Be very honest. You knew? Okay. Did you know you didn't know anything about science communication? You didn't know? You didn't know about science communication? You didn't know? No? You didn't know? You didn't know. So it's only one person you knew about science communication out of these are 7. So that's good. So what do you know about science communication now after I've taken you through the science communication session? Wait, okay, we can. What more do you know for you?
Science communication is about how the way you relate people with a certain action, just and a way how to deal with it.
All right. Thank you. Yes. What now that you didn't know about science communication, now you know about science communication. What do you think science communication is?
It's a simple way of relaying information, the complex science information to the public that make it more understanding of it.
Okay.
It's a way of an easier way of explaining like scientific terms to non-scientists that will make it understanding easier and not complex.
It's a way that you can engage the society or the public on the importance of the science. You inform them and they can apply them to their daily lives to relate to the science and their daily lives.
I finally understand that science cannot work by itself. You must combine science and communication so that the science can be effective.
To help me understand how we as a medical biochemist can be able to relay my information to people who have no knowledge about my medical biochemistry, making them understand and how they can take action.
Science communication is a way in which the scientific knowledge can be broken down into simple terms that can be understood by those who undergo scientists, let's say some people who have not attended to school and the elderly. They can easily understand what the researchers are trying to pass on to them.
Okay, now we discussed about, I introduced the Bayer model of science communication in our training today. So what can you say about Bayer model of science communication? What do you understand by that model?
For bio-communication, I finally understand that we can use science instead of using complex words to explain about science. We can use more simple words for people who are not scientists or are not familiar with most of the science. They finally understand the concept and they can apply.
What does it stand for?
As B stands for breakdown, and then A stands for
Okay. So tell us about the Bayer model of science communication.
To me, the Bayer model has helped me understand how I am able to relay the information to the other people, and also how me as an individual can be able to understand whatever I'm learning in different times. Like through breaking down the information into simpler terms that I can be able to understand and the other people can be able to understand.
What does it stand for?
This B is for breakdown of the information in layman's language. A is for audience segmentation, where you relay the information to a particular segment of the audience. Y is for yielding or storytelling, how we 40 marks, and A is for the action you are supposed to take.
Very good.
The biomodel transfer that is in which complex information can be easily passed by breaking down the complex information into simple terms that people can understand, and also by knowing that the information should go to a specific audience, hence regarding the audience in which the information should be passed to. And also we consider the yield, how the product, what the information you're trying to pass to. And finally, it also helps us to understand what should be taken into action by maybe saying in medical, you can say like where you can tell people to take the testings, to register. You can also tell them the preventive measures that can be used against the disease which you're trying to pass the information on.
Okay. So what can you comment about the biomodel of science communication?
This biomodel is a way that will improve the society, people affected, and it will improve the trust of the scientists with the people, individual, mostly affected.
Okay, thank you. So, what is your overall comment about the, okay, before I do that, maybe let me allow you also to comment about the biomodel of science communication.
Biomodel works on 3 principles: that's understanding, trust, and action.
What does bio mean, the bio acronym? What does it stand for?
Means
Okay, let's listen to you. What can you comment about biomodel of science communication?
it can help students build researchers doing their projects, and
Okay, what does that acronym stand for? Okay. Now, what is your overall comment about science communication?
it is essential because it helps the community have a better understanding.
What's your overall comment about science communication?
Yeah, it's a good way that helps both the researchers and the community in understanding the research.
What's your overall comment about science communication?
It will bring out the distinct understanding of biological concept to the individuals.
What's your overall comment about science communication?
Science communication is a program that indeed needs to be highly promoted as it passes information widely in simple terms. Hence, I would say it's the best program for me because it has helped me understand how to break down some complex things into easy things, into an easy way in which someone can understand regardless of the status.
Okay. What's your overall comment about science communication?
My comment about science communication is that each and every scientist should have these skills so that to be able to deliver their information to the outside society in a way that they can understand why they are supposed to take certain measures.
What's your overall comment?
I think science and communication is directly proportional, that science cannot work without communication, because communication is the only thing that can be used to explain to people from different backgrounds how science relates and how they function.
Yes, I think science communication can be used to simplify the complex health issues like H. pylori, and it also can help to focus on the company's about health. Yeah, we can improve science communication through that way.
All right. Thank you. So can you clap for yourselves? This we did a good discussion.